Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will learn 3 quick and easy ways to fix your microphone if it's not working on Windows 10. Method 1. Enable microphone in settings. First, we need to make sure your microphone is enabled in Windows. Click on Start, then open Settings. Go to Privacy, and on the left side, click on Microphone. Make sure microphone access for this device is turned on. Also check Allow apps to access your microphone. If it's OFF, turn it on. Once you've done this, try testing your microphone again. Method 2. Run Windows Troubleshooter. If the first method doesn't work, let's run the built-in Troubleshooter. Go to the search bar, type Settings, and click on it. Select Update and Security, then click on Troubleshoot. Click Additional Troubleshooters, find Recording Audio, and select Run the Troubleshooter. Windows will automatically detect the problem and try to fix it. If you see a message saying, Problem fixed, your microphone should work now. Method 3. Set microphone as default. If it's still not working, set your microphone as the default device. Open the control panel, click on Hardware and Sound, then select Sound. Go to the Recording tab. Select your microphone, click Set Default, and press OK. Now your microphone is set as the primary input device. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to TechGetter Official.